Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. My name is Prince and you are watching the tech stream. In this video, I am going to show you how you can enable 90 FPS in PUBG Mobile on your OnePlus 8T. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, let me show you what the problem actually is. So as I go into the display settings of my OnePlus 8T and I select the refresh rate option, you can see that my refresh rate has been set to 120Hz, and that is what this FPS meter is showing on the top. This is not an FPS meter actually, it just shows the screen refresh rate. I tried many things to get the Gamebench True FPS working, but it doesn't support Android 11 till now, so we'll have to work with what we have. Now let's open up PUBG. In PUBG graphics setting, you can see that the FPS has been set to 90, but still the FPS meter is showing 60 FPS, and when you enter the game, you can see that the game is also running on 60 FPS only. Now the problem here is that the game is running on 90 FPS, but the screen refresh rate drops to 60 Hz. To experience the full 90 FPS on PUBG, you need your screen refresh rate to either run at 90 Hz or above that. But we all know that OnePlus 8T has a 120Hz screen, which is more than capable of running the game at 90 FPS. And we have set the screen refresh rate to 120Hz in the settings also. Then what is the problem? Well, your refresh rate is variable and it changes with every app. For example, in apps like YouTube and PUBG, the refresh rate switches to 60Hz even though the phone supports 120Hz. So as soon as you open these apps or any game, the refresh rate of the screen drops down to 60 Hz. Another reason is that OnePlus phones with 120 Hz screen refresh rate comes with two settings, either 60 Hz or 120 Hz. But what happens is PUBG demands 90 Hz to run the game on 90 FPS, but as there is no setting for 90 Hz, PUBG thinks that the phone doesn't support a high refresh rate, so the frames drop back to 60 FPS. Now let's talk about how to fix this problem. Basically, we need to force 120Hz in all apps and games. And for that, we need to download an app called J OnePlus Tools. The app can work on both rooted and non-rooted devices. On an unrooted device, you need to do one extra step. You need to connect your phone to the PC and write a command in the ADB shell. Let me quickly show you how you can do that. First, you need to download and extract the minimal ADB and fastboot. If you don't have ADB and fastboot installed on your PC, I'll give the link in the description below. Download the zip file and install it. Now enable USB debugging on your phone from the developer options. Connect your phone to the laptop or PC and open minimal ADB and fastboot. And finally, copy and paste this command. Now you will see that J OnePlus tool has started on your phone, and you can tweak many things from inside this app, but the only thing we need to focus is on the last option, that is screen refresh rate. When we click on it, you can see you get three options. We need to select the first one, that is force 90Hz or 120Hz. So now this will force a 120Hz refresh rate or 90Hz if you have a OnePlus Nord on all apps and games. This might take a small hit on your battery, but from my personal experience, I can say that even after enabling this option, I was getting 7 to 8 hours of screen on time. So the battery is not going to be that much a problem, I guess. Now let's get back to PUBG, and the meter which is showing the refresh rate shows 120Hz. That means the screen is running on 120Hz. That means our game is eligible to use the full 90 FPS. Now let's start a TDM match and see what it looks like while playing. The game is definitely running on 90 FPS as it has gotten a lot smoother. It feels more fluid while playing, but you won't feel any difference while watching this video because YouTube only supports 60 FPS videos. So now you can enjoy PUBG in full 90 FPS on your OnePlus 8T. And this trick will also work on OnePlus 8 Pro. Comment down if you want me to do a full PUBG gameplay video on the 8T. One another thing to notice is that the other apps which used to run in 60 Hz like YouTube will also run on 90 Hz now, so that will also enhance your user experience. That's all for this video. Hopefully you liked the video. Smash the like button if you did. Comment down if you want me to do a PUBG gameplay and battery drain test on the OnePlus 8T. Subscribe to the channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.